And this is right as of now. This is the background of my project, and my project is based on Python language, and it is through use or made through using the library Tibetan and various modules. Now I'll be showing you the practical of my project. When I run my project, first of all, it will be asking you a question. You can see out there, and when I type the answer or the password of the question, like the password as of now is user1010, and when I start the function, like the start button, then the function will run. Then after this, there are three typical functions. Like the first one is BMI, and the BMI consists of like name, age, class, and height and weight. And using the height and weight, it will depict that if the user is obese or overweight or underweight. After this, there is the health record. The health record mainly consists of name, age, and contact and disease, and it is like for replacement of paper and pen. Like it is an eco-friendly and user-friendly function program or software which will derive or which will record the name, age, contact, disease, medicine, training time, and doctor of the patient's information, and it will be saved using a unique roll number. And if there is already information which I have already inputted, and the roll number is 11816. So when I name the search button and click the search button, you can see there are various information regarding the same person of this particular roll number 11816. And also all this information will be saved directly in Excel, and you can also view it through there. Next we have the remedies hub. The remedies hub consists of various diseases, remedies, and as of now there are 200 diseases and remedies for it, which are recorded from internet or referred from internet for basic showing. Like this is a showcase, and later on the user can create or change his own disease and remedies and use it. Like it is for society where only one or two doctors are there. It's like it is to provide the people or the students instruction regarding the medical emergency. Like if a student falls sick, like if he has cold and the doctor is not there, so you can just go and just check it out here, and there will be information or instruction given by the doctor or nurse itself. Like you can also search out here if you want, like cold, and you can just search, and results are here. Like then we have a small PowerPoint. Like this is the PowerPoint for my project describing it. Now I'll be showing you the little bits. Like the first one is medical vault. It will be showing the project's name, and the next one is the introduction and all. And then we have the introduction out here. You can just see it clearly. And then we have the primary goals, and then we have the three applications. Their functions and how they are made. And that's all. Thank you.